Welcome to Citanex, your trusted industry leader in cybersecurity products and services. In this video, we learn about O.MG hacking cables and keeping your mobile phone secure. For more great videos, please hit the like, notify, and subscribe buttons below. The O.MG cable, short for offensive malware and exploitation cable, looks like a regular charging cable, but it hides a dangerous secret. What if we told you that it looks identical to your standard iPhone and Android mobile charging cables? Yet after attaching it just once to your phone, it can remotely log all of your keystrokes and exfiltrate your most sensitive data. When connected, this cable can secretly access your mobile device, steal data, and even inject malware, all without you knowing. It's equipped with tiny embedded technology that enables remote attackers to intercept passwords, messages, and other sensitive data. Someone could surreptitiously give you an O.MG cable in several deceptive ways, like a free gift or freebie scam. Someone borrows your charger, then swaps it with an identical-looking O.MG cable. A cable is left in public charging station, such as in airports, cafe, or co-working spaces, as well as at hotels and Airbnb setup. This is called a drop attack. Devices like the O.MG cables depicted here remind us why physical and digital security go hand in hand and are critical to achieving privacy in our interconnected world. Take control of your privacy with tools like the Digital Survival Kit from Citanex, which provides comprehensive physical and digital protection. Scan the QR code to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to us. Protect your privacy. Protect your data. Trust Citanex.
Citanex, empowering your business, empowering the digital you.